Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use sketch shoes, updated. Start by checking the fit while seated, then stand to confirm snug heel hold and room at the toes. Inspect straps, laces, or closures for even tension and no pressure points. Break in shoes gradually by wearing them for short walks, and alternate days with another pair to allow materials to settle and reduce friction. Begin by measuring both feet and comparing measurements to the brand size chart to choose the best fit. Try shoes on with the socks you plan to wear and walk a few steps to detect any rubbing or tightness. Adjust any removable insoles for arch support and test stability on a slight incline or stairs. Proper fit prevents blisters and improves long-term comfort for daily activities. Clean shoes gently using a soft brush and mild detergent suitable for the material, and avoid submerging leather or suede models in water. After cleaning, stuff shoes with paper or a shoe tree and air dry away from direct heat to maintain shape and adhesion. Rotate between at least 2 pairs to let cushioning recover and reduce moisture buildup, which keeps shoes fresher and longer lasting for everyday wear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.